In order to change display size on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down to go to additional settings, then over here choose accessibility, at the top switch to vision, and then choose display size. And here you can move it to the left or to the right in order to switch the size of the display. And once you are done, you want to tap this check over here in the top right corner, and then confirm by pressing OK. Now, in addition to that, there's also another way to adjust the DPI. So let's go back to the settings. And this time we're gonna go to About Phone. And you want to keep tapping on OS version until you see the information that you are now a developer. So go back to the additional settings again. There we go. And over here we need to go to developer options. Here we need to keep scrolling until we find this option over here, smallest width. And here we can enter our custom value of the DPI. So let's say if I set it to 320, then as you can see now, the display size is really big. I can also set it to, let's say, 620, and it will be much smaller. Remember to keep in mind what is the default value that you have over here, because if you mess something, then you might want to revert back to the default value. You can set it, for instance, to 406. I believe this is the normal size of the display. So if you enter it too small or too high value, then you can readjust it back to 406. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.